Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to charge your power cells in Subnautica below zero. First of all, you can go ahead to your Seatruck and pick out your power cell by left clicking on it, scrolling your wheel and unloading the power cell. You can do this to your Prawn Suit also, or any other vehicle. After that, you want to go ahead to your base, which is connected to some kind of a power. Then you're gonna pick up your habitat builder, right click, go to the interior modules and select the power cell charger. You're gonna need some advanced wiring kit, 2 times lithium and 2 times titanium. You want to go ahead and construct it on a empty wall, and to use it you want to just aim on it and left click. Here you can place the power cell inside of it and it's going to charge. You can charge ion and normal power cells in this battery charger. That's gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.